Hi everyone, today I am going to introduce you Mediwarm powder. Mediwarm powder is deworming powder for cage and every birds. Highly effective against roundworm, hairworm and tapeworm. Extremely safe, causes no regulation and very economical and easy dosing instruction. And let me tell you how to use this instruction of Mediwarm powder. You must take 200 ml water and put 5 gram Mediwarm powder and mix it, and also you must mix 100 grams soft food or seed. Mix and give it to your birds, and this course you must have to do after every 6 months for the good breeding and for the good health for your birds. And let me show you my birds. They are very active and healthy as well. You must have to use this powder to all your cage birds for good health. Deworming course is a good for all kind of birds, and you should do that. And whatever eggs they will give, the babies will come out. Deworming in the birds must have to do in every 6 months. Thanks for watching.